Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So I'd like to start with the fastest way, with the usage of a secret code, and then I'll show you how to do it with the usage of the settings. So let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter the code, and it is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, as I said, with the usage of the settings. So let's tap on them, and we have to go to the very top of the list to find my phone. Now let's scroll down and enter phone information, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.